There has been a growing discussion in the industry around whether AI will replace animators. With the recent rise of AI-generated videos, many people are noticing mixed results.
He could be anywhere. Sniff, sniff! We'll find him! We always do!
Some outputs look impressive, while others feel noticeably artificial. This video breaks the topic down in a straightforward way: what AI tools are realistically capable of today, and how they are likely to affect animation work over the next 5 years. Before we move forward, let me quickly introduce QualiQ AI. If you run a production company, you already know this. Slow responses kill leads. QualiQ AI fixes that. It's an AI voice-powered lead qualifier that calls interested prospects within 5 minutes of form submission, asks the right questions, qualifies the lead, and even books meetings automatically. So instead of chasing emails, you can focus on closing deals and scaling your production business. Check out QualiQ AI using the link in the description. Current AI tools used in animation. Several AI-based tools are already integrated into professional workflows. AI denoising and faster rendering are widely used today. For example, Blender's Cycles renderer includes AI denoising, allowing cleaner images with fewer render samples. This reduces render times and hardware requirements without changing the animator's role. Markerless motion capture is another area seeing rapid adoption. Tools like Rococo Vision allow motion capture using standard cameras such as a phone. While the results are not production final, they are effective for pre-visualization, blocking, and early animation passes. AI-assisted compositing is also becoming more common. Software such as Flow Studio can insert CG characters into live-action footage with automated tracking and lighting estimation. These tools are mainly used to speed up early stages of production. Limitations of generative AI in animation. Animation production involves more than generating moving images. It requires consistency, structure, and control over time. Current generative AI systems perform best with single images or short clips. Maintaining character consistency, animation quality, and performance across long sequences requires rigs, animation data, asset libraries, and version control systems, areas where AI tools are still limited. Animation is also dependent on acting principles such as timing, weight, anticipation, and subtle performance adjustments. These elements are typically refined through detailed frame-by-frame control, which AI-generated outputs do not currently allow.
Hey, I'm made using generative AI.
Oh wow, I would have never guessed.
Production pipeline requirements. Professional studios depend on repeatable and editable workflows. Small adjustments, sometimes only a few frames or minor pose changes, can significantly affect the quality of an animation. Traditional 3D animation pipelines allow for these precise changes, while AI-generated outputs are often difficult to revise at that level. As a result, AI outputs are currently better suited as temporary assets rather than final production elements. Historical context of new technology. Previous technological advancements such as motion capture, GPU rendering, and digital editing tools changed production workflows but did not remove the need for skilled artists. Instead, these tools increased efficiency and expanded the scale of projects. AI follows a similar pattern by reducing time spent on repetitive tasks rather than replacing creative decision-making. Business and intellectual property considerations. High-end animation work relies heavily on original intellectual property and consistent brand identity. AI-generated characters raise legal and ownership challenges, making them difficult to use in long-term commercial projects. For this reason, companies that invest in brand development and franchise value continue to rely on human-led creative teams. Likely developments over the next 5 years. AI is expected to play a larger role in pre-visualization, reference generation, animation cleanup, lighting suggestions, and other technical or repetitive tasks. New hybrid roles may emerge, combining artistic skills with AI-assisted workflows. Faster iteration and lower testing costs may also allow studios to explore more ideas, potentially increasing the number of greenlit projects. AI is becoming an increasingly important tool in animation pipelines, but its role is currently supportive rather than generative at a production level. While workflows will continue to evolve, core aspects of animation, performance, storytelling, and creative direction still rely on human expertise. Understanding how to work alongside these tools will be an important skill for animators moving forward. As the tools evolve, the fundamentals of animation remain the same. Staying adaptable and understanding how to use new technology effectively will be key moving forward. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.